Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to easily play LittleBigPlanet 3 online. First, ensure your PlayStation console has a stable internet connection. An active PlayStation Plus subscription is essential for accessing online features. Also, always confirm your game is updated to its most recent version. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and enjoyable online experience with friends and the wider community. Once your setup is complete, head to the pod in LittleBigPlanet 3. From there, simply select the Community Moon to dive into a vast world of user-created content. You can browse through countless levels made by players from all over the globe. If you have something specific in mind, use the convenient search function to locate particular levels or even your favorite creators. It's a universe of creativity waiting for you. Playing with friends adds so much fun to LittleBigPlanet 3. You can easily invite your PlayStation friends directly from your friends list to join your game. Alternatively, if a friend sends you an invitation, you can accept it to jump right into their session. Remember, up to 4 players can team up in one online game, allowing for fantastic cooperative adventures and creative building together. It's a great way to share the fun. Sometimes, you might encounter minor hiccups while playing online. If you experience lag or disconnections, first check your internet connection stability. A quick restart of your PlayStation console and your home router can often resolve many common network issues. Also, always ensure that everyone playing together has the exact same game version installed. Following these simple steps will help keep your online adventures smooth and uninterrupted.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.